Welcome to Kindeva Drug Delivery. With more than 50 years of global pharmaceutical development and manufacturing experience, we are proud to provide our customers with proven inhalation manufacturing expertise, ensuring the highest standards of manufactured product delivery from feasibility to market. What's unique about Kindeva is that we offer a full spectrum of services and we tailor those services to meet customer needs. Kindeva has a long history of innovation in the inhalation category, including the development of the first metered-dose inhaler, the first CFC-free metered-dose inhaler, and HFA metered-dose inhaler for the nasal market. A recent Kindeva innovation, the Intelligent Control Inhaler, provides customers with a valuable tool for product differentiation. Our comprehensive product development and manufacturing capabilities allow us to be fully flexible to meet the requirements of your project. We have the flexibility to work with customers beginning at the formulation development stage all the way through to commercial supply. When Kindeva is helping develop a generic product, these steps can be streamlined with initial process development work taking place at the Process Technology Center and the project moving as quickly as possible to the commercial facility for the bioequivalency batch. Strategic positioning of Kindeva's lab scale-up and commercial manufacturing facilities in the United States and the United Kingdom ensures a global reach to meet our customers' needs. One great advantage we have at Kindeva is our Process Technology Center. The site is dedicated to the pilot-scale development of products and processes, as well as a small-scale commercial manufacturing site. This site is dedicated to all transdermal and inhalation products. Equipment capabilities as well as personnel capabilities allow us to conduct experiments that are flexible, portable, and meet the needs of our customers. Once an inhaled product is approved for commercial manufacturing, Kindeva's highly efficient and quality-focused manufacturing equipment gets put to work. Kindeva offers both cold and pressure fill capabilities and has manufacturing lines at all sites. Quality is top of mind for all Kindeva staff. Every step of the way, development through manufacturing, our manufacturing facility adheres to strict GMP and in-process controls that meet customers' expectations, as well as U.S. and other regulatory requirements. Kindeva's regulatory experts have assisted our pharmaceutical partners in successfully completing 4 FDA single-cycle reviews for an MDI product, saving our customers time and money, and more importantly, rapid product delivery to the market. Kindeva Drug Delivery has the expertise, services, and capacity to meet your development and manufacturing needs with our proven experience and commitment to quality and innovation. We stand ready to partner with you to develop your next successful commercial product.